is my family. I will show you. My sister-in-law and then husband. My husband and his cousin. My baby sister-in-law and then husband. My mommy, daddy. Mommy, I like you. You're so pretty.
Side 31 to 60 on the other.
That other one wasn't working.
We'll begin with pre-boarding passengers.
How about this one?
It was working. It's charging right now. See, it's
Any
alive.
children ages 15 and under may not occupy those emergency exit rows. Per FAA regulations, you're allowed one personal
This time
item
he
that's to
got
be stowed underneath that
picture.
seat in front of you and one carry-on item for that overhead bin.
He got the wheelchairs at every amusement park he went to.
If you should leave extra keys, any medications that you may need.
Village, go! Fish! You can do it, princess! Yay!
Today we are going to Cafe Sierra seafood buffet. Oh, I got you for my father-in-law birthday and then Shirley birthday. Okay, this is my family. I will show you. My sister-in-law and then husband. My husband and his cousin. My baby sister-in-law and then husband. My mommy, daddy. Mommy, I like you. You're so pretty. My auntie and my uncle. Oh, that's it? Oh, no, this is a video. Oh, I'm gonna put it in my YouTube. And me and my husband.
Yeah, blow it out. Real good girl.
The fact that this stupid little video came up just in time too.
That's the thing. It's like once you go to flight school, you have to have.
이사 맛있어?
When you start.
What?
When you graduate.
I get up very
No, that's the goes.
Butter. Go.
Yeah, go. I'd rather have like polo. I like up to the table. I like tickle. Yeah.
Last farewell party. We are leaving tomorrow morning.
Another year.
No, cannot.
You can. This is
My husband friend.
yes. Boyfriend.
And my baby sister.
Hello.
Mine on YouTube.
Oh, 네 유튜버.
Mine on Facebook.
Yeah, we're going back to our space. We have a hot tub, a grab,
Hasn't been used in like 3 years.
like that.
Is that so happy 44th birthday?
아, that was your Frederick's birthday. May.
Basically, to do that.
Yeah, Lion. Baby Lion boy. She's 44 yesterday. Lion. Yes, she's 44 yesterday, her birthday.
Game right now?
Her birthday.
really want to play it. It's her 44th?
I know, she's an old lady.
We're gonna go upstairs now.
I win!
Say hi.
Hi!
Go play. Yun na to. Look at Lion. So cute. Someone needed teaching Lion.
I'm not gonna be the trainer. How long have I been playing badminton?
Oh wow, long time. Since 8, 7?
5.
Wait. Alright.
Oh.
I'll be calling you.
Hey, wait.
Look at her. It's chicken nugget.
It is?
Chicken nugget. Yeah.
Can you wait for them?
But I can't even eat food.
Boo. Why? What do you mean?
I have my wisdom teeth coming out.
No.
Ah, why?
I don't do basketball.
Why? What are you talking about?
He doesn't do
Go, Amaya. Please. Ah.
Wait, this isn't fair. Why do you guys
오, 그냥 잘한다.
Then I believe in you, gang. You have the bad racket, too.
I'll go right here.
Amaya, please give me last shot.
He's in the back, I guess. Oh,
Go, last shot, please. One,
Normal ball instead of small.
2. Go, last ball. And I mean last shot. Ah.
What are they doing up there?
Talking?
game of Uno.
The kids is still playing. They say, oh, I need to finish. We need to finish. Salsa?
Salsa, can you get?
네.
Oh, the sour cream too.
what the hell?
Here, baby.
Sorry.
Here. Osha. Here, baby. You need a spoon.
I put 2 out already.
1 and 2.
네.
네, 감사합니다.
Because I'm like telling her, where's the ponytail? I have to
You're a crazy girl.
And she's like, oh, you're like those Koreans, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh.
Kids, come on.
I was good. Good liar.
Come eat or else we're eating it all.
Yes.
Don't cry when you don't
You
know.
don't have any.
여보, eat time. What the?
I'm not kidding.
Alright. Picture time.
Ethan?
Picture time. Picture time.
Are you happy? Ethan, you can come out.
Where's my
Wait, put my pressure somewhere.
All the kids.
Okay, consolidate this way.
I go, baby.
Wow.
Did you break it? Did you break it, Cole?
No, it just.
Okay, good. Ooh, ooh. There.
He's right there. Wait, guys.
What happened?
You need to sit down.
Ashley sleeping?
Yeah, your other child's gone.
Oh.
Ethan!
Oh, yeah, Ashley there. Oh my goodness.
I like the minions.
Ooh.
Brian, we are leaving.
I film everything. I filmed everything. Let's go.
Hi, Lauren.
Let's go car. Let's go car time.
Baby, good
Good night, baby.
tomorrow. I'll drop her off after Melon.
What? So early. Okay.
I know.
Like noonish.
We leave at 2 o'clock. Okay.
2-ish maybe. Before work, I have work still.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Drive safely. Too late.
Watch your step up.
Bye, JWYao. See you hopefully
Where did you park car?
next year.
Okay.
Come again.
Come to Tennessee.
Every summer.
Oh, sure. Every summer. No. Oh, next year we are going Korea.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so
Yeah, cannot.
convince your.
Bye bye. Good night. Love you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Let's go.
Bye, Ryan.
Where did you park?
Bye.
See you soon. Few hours later. There. Let's go.
Leave him in the park.
Hey,
Leave him in the park.
you behave okay?
Yeah.
Ryan, did you get a water?
No. I don't yet.
Ryan, you have to slow down.
Melinda, when lion trouble, send to me, Tennessee.
I was slow dancing with one.
Can we go to Virginia?
Why?
I need to see my friend for the first time.
Oh, what the heck?
You're like, oh, what the heck?
What the heck? Let's go.
Bye, Uncle Gio.
I'm gonna go to Virginia.
이게 너무해. 좋게. Let's go. Everybody. Oh, where is it? Romeo. Oh, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna next year hopefully.
Be careful. Go, go.
Bye.
Yeah, go down.
Bye.
Those kids are crazy.
In December, I'll be going
Slowly.
to the Philippines, and then February, I'll be
Slowly. And then, yeah.
to Las Vegas.
Okay, good.
Can I?
Wait, watch this here. I got you.
Well, I feel like breaking in. Like, bam, bam. Hey, the light's too bright.
Who is that?
The sun is way too bright.
Oh my God, you
Lower
like
down the
the sun?
sun.
Oh my goodness.
Lower down the sun.
So you like him? He's handsome. That's my style.
You want to see our wallpaper, guys? It's right there.
Bye bye. Good night. Drive safely.
One, two.
Bye bye. And did you say Uncle bye, Uncle Gio too?
Bye.
Bye bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bali bali and the Gio. Bye bye, Giovanni.
Where is your
Uncle Gio.
go
Want a race?
tapped head?
Side 31 to 60 on the other.
That other one wasn't working.
We'll begin with pre-boarding passengers.
How about this one?
It was working. It's charging right now. See, it's dead. It's
Any
alive.
children ages 15 and under may not occupy those emergency exit rows. Per FAA regulations, your loved one personal
This time
item
he
is to
got
be stowed under the back seat in front of you and a one carry-on item for that overhead bin.
He got all the wheelchairs at every amusement park he went to.
If you check any bags here, including keys, any medications that you may need during the
I forgot where I put my watch.
Did you put it?
Somewhere in here.
가자. 갑시다. 하나씩. So first is all bag go to home first, and then my husband have to come back to pick up the duty, carry a bag with me and then Ashley.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.